Welcome to GreenAds Global's official YouTube page. Now that we have completed how to create standard broadcasting, if you have not watched that video, you can click on the top right-hand corner of the screen to watch it. Let's now see how to use the dynamic broadcasting option on the Telinfy website. Click on Broadcast, select Add Campaign. Give your campaign a unique name for better identification. Choose the platform you wish to use. Select the campaign type as Dynamic. Select the approved dynamic template you have created. Make sure the template you have selected is approved. Click on Use Template. Before clicking on the dotted box that says, click here to upload the file, click on Download Template File for Upload. Go to your Downloads folder and open the file in Excel. Under the mobile number section, type the numbers along with the country codes. In a new column, enter the variable text used in the template. In our template, the variable text is name and email. For each mobile number, enter a different name and email. Once that's done, save the edits. Go back to the web page. Now, click here to upload the file. Upload the Excel sheet. Make sure the phone numbers are valid. Click Next. Click here to upload the image. Select the image you want to upload along with your message. Make sure the file format is JPEG or PNG and the size is under 5 megabytes. Select the relevant column name from the uploaded Excel file that is being displayed here. Under the footer section, there are two options called Schedule Now and Schedule Later. If you want to schedule it for later, click on Schedule Later. Choose the date and time according to your preference. If you choose to send it immediately, click on Schedule Now. Before clicking Send Campaign, make sure all details are correct by reviewing the preview above the Send button. Once you have confirmed everything, click Send Campaign. Congratulations! You have successfully created a campaign using the Telinfy platform. To get updates on your campaign, click on Campaign. On the right side of the screen, the message status will appear. Click Refresh to update and see the current status. Please wait as the campaign is being processed to completion. Once it is complete, you can see that all details have been updated. To view more details about the campaign, click on Download Report. You will be redirected to the Download Center. Download the report and open the file. The Excel sheet will display detailed information, including phone number status, creation time, status code, and response. Thank you for watching our video. See you next time.